Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting stable power and a clean transducer install. First, verify the battery reads 12, 6 volts or higher, and use a fuse on the positive lead. Once done, mount the transducer on the transom or your trolling motor so the face is parallel to the water. Make sure the cable is routed away from bilge pumps or ignition wiring to avoid noise. Finally, seat the Helix 8 in its mount, plug power and sonar connectors, and tighten until secure. You now configure the Helix 8 to produce usable sonar. Start the first time setup and choose language, units, and let the GPS acquire a lock. Next, select chirp sonar and enable side and down imaging if you have the appropriate transducer. Pick a frequency suited to depth, higher for detail in shallow water, lower for penetration in deep water. As returns display, adjust sensitivity, range, and noise rejection incrementally, so fish arches and you finish by turning sonar into repeatable results. Drive slow and mark waypoints on structure, brush, and fish with clear icons. Build routes to follow those lines. If available, run Auto Chart Live to record bathymetry and store it to your SD card. Otherwise, rely on built-in maps and save a custom profile. Before you finish, verify transducer angle and gain one last time and confirm GPS accuracy. If readings look wrong, power cycle the unit and reseat connectors to clear transient errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.